Hi, my name's Elliot and I'm the Customer Success Manager from LiveTiles. Today I'm going to show you how to incorporate Yammer into your digital workplace to help improve collaboration. I'm currently in the 14-day free trial of LiveTiles, and you can see here we've got a number of pre-built pages. Today I'm going to show you the marketing page. So as we go into this page, you can see at the top left when it loads, we have a Sway app where you can scroll through the various pages. And we also have on the right hand side here a Power BI app. And as you scroll down, you can see that we've got a few other sort of social feeds here. So we have a Yammer feed on the left, a Facebook feed on the right, and then on the far right we have a TED Talks video which can be integrated. If you'd like to see how to integrate videos and also Facebook, please check out a couple of my other videos on this channel. But today I'm going to show you how to incorporate Yammer into the page. So what we need to do is click at the top left hand corner on the Design View tab, and this will take us into the design canvas of the page so that we can start editing some of the tiles. So I'm just going to delete a couple of tiles. The first one I'm going to delete is this one to make space for a new feed, and I'm also going to delete this Yammer one here. So you can see we can quite easily move the tiles around the page if we need to. But what I'm going to do is drag and drop from this list of apps at the top of the page here, the Yammer feed. Now we can either go to the social section where we see a number of social elements, or we can click on the search bar and type in Yammer. So I'm going to grab this Yammer feed app here and just drag it into the space where we want it. Just going to line it up a little bit with the left hand side. Just drag it down just one little bit, and then I'm just going to make it a little bit wider as well. And if I look at the bottom, I think it just needs to be a little bit longer as well. So it's nice and easy to move the tile around. What you can also do as well, if you wish, is to go into the tile settings, and you can configure the width and height here. You can also configure a few other settings, such as the Yammer network, which is defaulted to our own. So you can update that with your own Yammer network, and then if you've got a particular feed that you want to pull from, you can type in the Yammer feed ID there. If you want to name the feed with a slightly more customized name, then you can do that as well. So we'll call this LiveTiles feed, and you can change the font family, font size, font color, and font style as you see fit. You can also, under the Permissions tab, audience target these tiles, so if there is only a particular set of audience within the business that you'd like to see this tile, then you can customize that within the Permissions tab as well. So we'll OK that. And this will give us the Yammer feed on the page for that particular network that we've added in there. It's just loading at the moment. If we want to see how that looks on the page, what we can also do is just click on Quick View, and then we see we're no longer in the design view where we can see what the page looks like to the end users. I'm just going to resume designing, and I'm also going to show you the Yammer Slide here as well. So I'm going to drag and drop the Yammer Slide onto the page. Again, just position it where I want it and resize the tile. It's nice and easy. And then just go into the settings. Again, you can see that we've got some configuration options here in terms of width, height, background color. We can also, if we want to, highlight this on mouse over. So I'll just show you how that works. If we tick on highlight on mouse over and just choose a suitable color, I'm actually going to copy the RGB code from here and just pop it in the mouse over color. I'm just going to make it a little bit more transparent when we hover over it. So that's that done. If we click OK, you'll see then if I just do a quick view exactly how that looks on the page. But really, to see this one work, we need to save the page as a new page. So I'll just click on Save As at the top right hand corner and click on Save As Page. You'll notice there that we could have also had the option of saving it as a template. So if we're regularly creating the same page over and over, such as a team site or a project site, we've also got the option to do that. Just like we can template apps, we can template pages as well. So just save that page. I'm going to go to that page so I can have a look at it, and then you'll see how the functionality of this Yammer Slide app works. So as we're just waiting for the page to load, you'll see that the feed on the left hand side should load successfully in a second. There we go. and then when we click on the Yammer tile, you'll see that on the left hand side we have the pop out of the feed. So I'm not suggesting that you have both of these on a page, of course, but I just wanted to show you how they both work. The Yammer Slide is very nice for keeping the page nice and clean, but also giving that functionality for the users. So there we go, that's how to incorporate Yammer into your digital workplace. Please feel free to go to www.livetiles.nyc and register for a free trial. We'd love you to have a play around with the tool and see what you think. Thanks for watching today, and goodbye.